Hi there, students. Affray, an affray as a noun. I think there's probably a verb to affray, but I think it's so archaic that nobody uses anymore. Okay, an affray is I think, a legal word. An affray is a fight in a public place that frightens the people around. He was charged with causing a fray outside a discotheque in London. Okay, and a fray needs to be a fight in a public place. Yeah, so the two men went outside the pub and then they started to fight. The police came and they were arrested for a fray. Okay, a fight in a public place that disturbs the peace, and that's the idea of it. I think the old verb to affray meant to frighten. So an affray, it's afraid. It's certainly linked to. It's a fight in a public place that makes people afraid, that disturbs the peace. So an affray, a noisy quarrel, a brawl, a public fight. Yeah, but it needs to be in a public place. Yeah, a fight or a noisy quarrel, a disturbance between two or more persons in a public place. An altercation, a fracas. Yeah. So he caused an affray outside the pub. Yeah, he was found guilty of causing a fray. Okay, so an affray, it's effectively an attack, the act of suddenly assaulting someone. An affray, a quarrel or an assault, two or more people fighting to the terror of others. The affray in the marketplace caused great fear among the ladies who were doing their daily shopping. Okay, so an affray. I wouldn't use this informally. I would probably give it 6.5 informality. Yeah, it's like a more formal word or a legal word for a punch-up. Yeah, a fight. So yeah, I would informally I would use the word a fight. Let's see, it's a legal term. It's something, it's legalese. Yeah, the police are going to arrest you for a fray. Yeah, fighting in a public place and disturbing the peace. And then as to origin, okay, it comes down from Anglo-Norman affrayer, to terrify, to disturb. Yeah, which comes from Latin itself, ex fridare, ex out of, and fred, to secure, so to make unsecure. Yeah, to fredere, to secure the peace. So yeah, to break the peace. Yeah, a breach of the peace, and that's what it means, affray. So yeah, it's not a good thing to get into a fray, because into an affray, because then the police turn up. Notice you can spell it with one F or two. Okay, it's probably a word you can use in your more formal essays or your semi-formal essays, but I wouldn't use it informally. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, and affray.